Isaiah 11 gives us one of the clearest Old Testament pictures of the Messiah, and at the same time, one of the clearest pictures of the Spirit as a distinct divine person. Isaiah writes, "A shoot will come from the stump of Jesse, and the Spirit of the Lord will rest upon him." This single line reveals two crucial truths at once. The Messiah is a real human descendant of David. The Spirit is someone who rests upon him, empowering him, guiding him, and filling him with wisdom and authority. The Spirit is not described as an influence, an energy, or an impersonal force. He is presented as someone who rests, gives wisdom, brings understanding, gives counsel, grants power, gives knowledge, creates fear of the Lord. These are relational actions, not mechanical effects. And the Messiah doesn't use the Spirit like a tool. He receives him, he depends on him. He acts in harmony with him. Already, Isaiah is showing us a relationship between two divine persons who work together in God's redemptive mission. This passage becomes even more striking when we notice how the Messiah is described. He judges perfectly. He speaks with power. He ends wickedness by his breath. He brings justice to the nations. He restores creation itself. No ordinary king does this. No merely human ruler fits this description. The Messiah in Isaiah is a human descendant of David, and yet his qualifications pour out from the Spirit of God in a way that transcends human limitations. When Jesus enters the scene in the New Testament, this exact pattern reappears. The Spirit descends upon him at his baptism. The Spirit drives him into the wilderness. He preaches in the power of the Spirit. He casts out demons by the Spirit of God. He says, "The Spirit of the Lord is upon me," quoting Isaiah 61, which builds on this passage. The early church understood Isaiah 11 as a prophetic glimpse of the tri-personal life of God. The Father sends the Messiah. The Spirit rests upon him and empowers him. The Son accomplishes the mission foretold through the prophets. Three persons, one redemptive plan. 1 God Day 14 reminds us that the Trinity isn't an abstract formula. It appears wherever Scripture shows God working in the world. When the Messiah comes, he comes with the Spirit. And when redemption unfolds, it unfolds through the unity of Father, Son, and Spirit.